Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today I am doing a review for AUDEEZ Slime on Instagram. I purchased 7 slimes from her and I am so excited to show you all what they are and my thoughts on them. First off, I have this really nice note from Audrey that tells me all the different slimes that I purchased. And then I have a care sheet with some borax and a sticker. This was all really well packaged, professionally, and none of the slimes broke and they all came in great condition. The 7 different slimes that I got were cow cream, hot cocoa, blueberry brown sugar batter, chocolate dip starfish, lemon seed poppy batter, pink beluga beach, and Squidward. I will have the link to Audrey's Instagram and shop down below if you would like to check out any of these slimes. I highly recommend her shop and I'm so happy that I got to purchase some slime from her. First up, I have Squidward. The texture of this slime is really nice. All of Audrey's slimes are really thick and glossy and fun to play with, and this slime is no exception. The foam beads on the top really add to the texture, and the slight crunch in the beginning really is nice, and the colors really complement each other really well because the foam beads are a really pretty color, and this teal blue type color is also really nice, matches Squidward, and the scent is great. It's a fresh, clean scent. I can't exactly pinpoint it. We all know that I'm not the best with my scents, but I definitely like it. I think it is a great scent. Great color, great texture. So overall, this slime is awesome. I highly recommend it. It is very fun to squish and play with. It makes great bubble pops, and it's thick, but not super thick that you can't stretch it. It's super stretchy, fun to play with. I did not want to put this slime down. Just look at those bubble pops. It's so gorgeous and fun to play with. Make sure you go and comment down below what slime shop you would like me to review next. I love buying slimes and reviewing them, so I love making slime review videos. So just comment down below and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more slime reviews from me. Next up, I have the one and only iconic cow cream. So as we know, Audrey loves cows, and this is one of her most iconic slimes. I have seen her post this slime so often, and I was so excited to be able to get my hands on it because look at this slime. It is so thick, so glossy, it's gorgeous. I think it's probably the thickest slime I have ever purchased. It is so much fun to play with, and it still remains, it still has its stretchiness. Like sometimes when slimes are quote unquote thick, they're just overactivated, but this slime, I don't know what Audrey did, but it's not overactivated. It's super stretchy, but yet still thick, which is awesome. And I highly recommend this slime if you want a real iconic, thick, awesome slime. The scent is really nice. It's a sweet type of Fruit Loops cereal milk type scent, and the color is a pure gorgeous white. Right now when I'm playing with my slime, I got a little bit of blue on it, so now it's a tinge blue, but that's okay. This slime is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous white. I don't know how she kept her slime so clean, but I love it. The color is gorgeous. I love the scent. I love the texture. I have no complaints about this slime. Overall, it is great. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I took your feedback from my previous videos and didn't speed up the slimes at all, so the video is a little longer than 15 minutes. So, you know, grab a snack, hang out with me while we talk about some slime and chat. I hope you guys like this longer video. There are 7 slimes, so it did take a while and I didn't want to speed it up, and I couldn't cut out any of the satisfying slime video, so it's 15 minutes long. I really hope you guys don't mind. If you do want shorter videos, let me know down below. Give me some suggestions. Yeah, I'm just trying things out. Next up, I have blueberry brown sugar batter. That is a mouthful. The texture of this slime is really nice. It is similar to Squidward. I think it's the same texture. It's less thick than cow cream, but it's still nice and glossy and stretchy. But it's not like a thin slime or watery slime at all. It's still pretty thick, which is awesome because it does hold the beads really nicely. And the large blue beads are a really nice touch. I love how they look in the slime. It really stands true to the name blueberry brown sugar batter. The scent is awesome. I'm from Canada, and whenever I go to Tim Hortons, I really like getting blueberry muffins, and this smells exactly like that. I don't know how Audrey got her hands on the scent, but it literally smells exactly like the blueberry muffin from Tim Hortons. And the color is really nice. It's a nice brown batter color. It's great. I don't have any complaints. And the beads are really nice. They're blue. They match blueberry. When I was activating the slime, there was a little bit of brown coming off on my hands, but that's perfectly alright. Overall, this slime is awesome. Yet again, Audrey makes amazing slimes. Next up, I have hot cocoa. Look at this gorgeous dark brown color, and there are awesome foam beads on top that make a great crunch. So let's talk about the texture of hot cocoa. So the base is the same as Squidward and blueberry brown sugar batter. It's awesome, thick, nice. It's not as thick as cow cream, like I said earlier, but it's still really great. It makes great bubble pops. The little foam beads in there do disintegrate a bit and break off into little pieces, so if that's something you don't like, then I would probably recommend blueberry brown sugar batter or Squidward, but the blueberry brown sugar batter does have the similar size beads, if you like that. The scent is great. It's very chocolatey and nice. The color does rub off a bit on my hands, but that's something that's fine with me. If you don't like that, then I would probably recommend Squidward. Overall, this slime is so fun to play with. Personally, I love squishing the little foam beads and having them disintegrate, but if you don't like that, then that's a personal preference. But I just love it. I find it so satisfying. Next up, I have chocolate dipped starfish. How unique is that, guys? I love this slime. Audrey makes such unique, interesting slimes. So again, the texture of this slime is the same as blueberry brown sugar batter and Squidward and hot cocoa. They're all the same texture, which is fine with me, but if that's something you don't like, then a lot of these slimes were a similar texture that I purchased, but I'm sure you can pick ones that are more varied in texture. That's just up to you. The scent reminds me of a soap, kind of like a Lush soap. I'm not really sure which one, but it just reminds me of a soap or a fragrance like that. The color is really nice. It's a really pretty pink that it's not a color I usually see very often. It's like a almost coral, but not really coral. I'm bad at describing colors, guys, but you can see it's a really nice pink. It's not the usual pink you see, which is really cool. The scent, I talked about that. The texture is great. Color is awesome. So overall, I really like this slime. It's so much fun to play with, and it's so unique. I love that it has a variety of chunks in it. It has the foam beads and the little brown chocolate chunks. Also, the charm in here is absolutely adorable. Now for lemon poppy seed batter. This slime's texture is very similar to cow cream. It is thick and nice. This one was a little stiff when I received it, and it did rip a little bit when I played with it, but once I let it sit and it kind of melted a little, and then I reactivated it and it was perfectly alright. The scent is nice. It's similar to cloud cream as well. It's a type of cereal milk, but it's a little bit sweeter than cloud cream, but they're in the similar family of scents, I guess I would say. The color is gorgeous. It matches lemon poppy seed batter, and everything about it is great. I love the glitters in there. They're so pretty and adorable. They really make the poppy seeds stand out in there. And I really like this slime. It's so much fun and it's so iconic. I've seen so many people review this slime and talk about this slime, and I just couldn't wait to get my hands on it, and it lived up to all of my expectations. It's a great, thick, fun to play with slime, and I highly recommend it. It's very holdable, and it is very fun to squish and poke and stretch and squeeze and pop bubbles. It's a great slime. If you are enjoying this slime review, thank you so much for sticking around so long, and make sure you share this video with your friends, and I have a playlist down below with all of my slime reviews or slime related videos if you want to check that out. So as you guys know, I always love to get a cloud slime because I love buying cloud slimes, and I think I might do a video comparing them. Let me know down below if you want me to do one of those, and I definitely will. So back to this slime. It is Pink Beluga Beach, and look at that super cute little beluga on there with those pink glitters. I absolutely love it. The texture is amazing. This cloud slime, it does have quite a bit of residue. It does leave a little bit on your hands, but you know, to be expected with cloud slime. The texture, it drizzles so nicely. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. It doesn't take very long to fluff up. It's such a nice cloud slime. I love it. The texture is awesome. The drizzle is great. If you don't like the residue on your hands, then cloud slime probably isn't for you, but this one is a great one. I wish I had a gallon of this slime. It is amazing. The scent is really nice, again similar to melted or chocolate dip starfish, if I can talk. Similar to that one, it's like a soapy fragrance, kind of like that. And I know I recognize the scent, I just cannot pinpoint it. It's very familiar, but I just can't name it. We all know I struggle with naming scents. The color is really nice. It is white, and then the pink glitters kind of gave it a light pink color, which is really pretty. Overall, I really love this slime. It's so much fun to play with and pull and squish and drizzle and poke. I really love this cloud slime. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this slime review because I have had tons of fun playing with these slimes and talking to you guys about it. Overall, I highly recommend Audrey's shop. I will definitely have it linked down below if you would like to check it out. And be sure to let me know what your favorite slime was from this video down below in the comments because I would love to know. Let's chat about slime. If you want to learn how to make your own slime, my book Ultimate Slime will be linked down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating and I will see you all next time. Bye!